Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about, wait, what were we talking about again? Today we're going to be talking about types of elements. Okay, so what you gotta do is you gotta go, uh, okay, and then all you gotta do is, yeah. Oh my god, is that Obama? Is that Obama? Yeah, that was my video project. What do you guys think? Ha 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 ha! That's so funny. That is so funny. Yeah, I'm gonna play the real project now. Hey guys, cringy freshman here. And we live in a society, and I just realized I have no friends. Let's see what normal people would do. And oh my god. So today I'm going to be explaining how to name and write formulas for type 1, type 2, and type 3 elements. This video was rushed. A binary compound is something consisting of precisely 2 elements. To name it, you must have the metal first and then the non-metal last with the suffix "-ide". Imagine your last name ending with "-ide". Type 1s are usually a metal of fixed charge and a non-metal. Also, their cation charge never changes. Here's the list of type 1s. I'm too lazy to say them. And here's me playing Minecraft. It's Minecraft! That's funny! What the Type 2s are usually a metal of variable charge and a non-metal. Cation can have different charges, and there's usually Roman numerals to indicate the charge. And oh my god, how am I supposed to name this? Here's the list again, and here's my Discord server. Here's my Minecraft server, and here's my credit card information. Type 3s are usually 2 non-metals, and they're easier to remember. All you have to do is memorize this. Alright guys, it's quiz time. How do you say this? Yeah, I don't know either. Can someone Google it? Alright, here's the answer. Hope you guys got it right. Here's Motivational Lizard. Mic check! There you go. That's how you memorize binary compounds. You deserve a Subway sandwich. Hey, is this supposed to be short video? Like, is this supposed to be really short? I can end the video now?